hey there. Listen, I don't know how time and space work where you're from, but where I'm at, it's Saturday. And since I can't trust my friends to do their jobs the right way at the company that you're probably watching this on, I'm gonna commandeer their Subscriber Saturdays and teach you how it's really done. Okay, listen up, dummies. This week's drill is the new AZ POST drill, and POST stands for Peace Officer Standards and Training. Now, they've taken a small step into the future, which I commend them for. Even though it's a very small step, used to be 50 rounds, now it's 40 rounds. I don't like less rounds, but maximum score of 200 with 3 stages. Let's give it a shot. Check this out. So here's the target. Now, this is supposed to be a TQ 15, TQ 17, 19, 21, TQ, FU, gives a shit. We made our own, but we made it a little bit more difficult because we like to push ourselves. And if you don't like pushing yourselves, get the hell out of my video. Stage 1 is at the 5-yard line. It is moving, firing 3 rounds from different positions. So the first one is straight, then off to the left, then off to the right, and these are all firing while moving forward. So check this out. First one goes, oh, and it's 3 seconds, which is a million years of time. While moving. That's stage 1. Let's move to the final stage. Just kidding, let's move to stage 2. Stage 2, part 1 is at the 7. All parts of stage 2 are at the 7. So part 1, we're drawing from the holster, firing 3 rounds to the body in 3 seconds. Part 2 is from the ready, firing 3 rounds to the body in 3 seconds. Part 3 is strong hand from the holster, 2 rounds to the body in 4 seconds. Part 4 is support hand, 2 rounds to the body in 4 seconds. Simple. All right, so we're standing around and we're on a deserted wasteland and we're just waiting for the right call and the right threat to present. Oh! All of the standards call for you to reload on your own. So that if you fuck up somehow and mess up your round count, or you have to reload or do something, that is not considered an alibi, and you'll miss out on points. You'll miss out on something, but let's just try and do it at 200 every single time, huh? It's fine, man. You don't want to do that. Okay, I understand. Missed one. Better. Final drill of stage 2, and that is a modified build drill. So we're going to come from the holster, draw fire 6 rounds, empty gun reload or emergency reload 3 rounds, all to the body, in I believe 12 seconds. Let's just consult my device here.
The drill time is 12 seconds, Johnny.
How much?
12 seconds.
How many? 12
seconds, Johnny.
Man, I knew it. I just knew it. Yep, he does it good. I'd really love to show them, but they're just not ready for that yet. Not even close. Final stage, hope you're ready. We're at the 15, and the first one is another emergency reload. It's from the holster, draw and fire 2 rounds to the body, emergency reload, 1 round to the body. And that time, my friends, is 10 seconds, if I am correct, which I always am.
The drill time is 10 seconds.
Oh, dang, it's 10 seconds, like I said. That must be Howard, coming from another galaxy. Look how good I am, Howard. He already knows. Stage 3, episode 2. From the holster, 2 rounds to the body, 1 round to the head, 6 seconds. Easy. Who the hell's calling me? Oh, Howard. Howard? Yes. Yeah, that was me waving at you. No, I'm just showing these idiots how to shoot. No, 2023. Yeah, I'll come back at some point, but I'm having a good time. Listen, I gotta go, man. No, I don't want to hear it. I've got to go. Listen, I want to say hi, but that's it. Nope, I want to impress people. See ya. Let's see how we did. Just as I suspected. The head one always does it right. Next one is the exact same thing. 2 rounds body, 1 round head from the ready, 6 seconds. So here we go. They want it at a 45, so that's fine. You know when you sound, or when you hear the sound of just the most immaculate hit you could imagine? You know that sound? Most of you don't know the sound, but I know the sound, and it sounds good. Well, we've done it, friends. We've arrived at the final stage, and that is the final stage at 15, the last rounds of 40, and it's clearing a malfunction. Some call it a tap rack bang, some call it a God knows what, but we're gonna come from the holster. It's gonna go click instead of bang. We're gonna fix it in 2 rounds to the body, 1 round to the head, and we got 10 seconds to do it. So come on down. You're here already. Good. Two rounds body, 1 round head. And it's just like that. It's just that easy. Now you're a certified peace officer. Go out there, serve your community, do something, because you ain't doing nothing standing here watching us. Just checking. Just checking.